Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this how do you pronounce filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Speaking Culture is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter, pronunciation game. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. Okay, so to use this filter, you just have to tap on the screen to start the filter and again tap on the screen to stop the filter. And if you want to record, press and hold the record button, then tap on the screen to start and tap on the screen to stop. So let's do it. I'll not be recording, so I'm not holding the record button. Okay, so started. Now let's tap again. Ironic. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.